Good morning. Check this one out. This is one we took in over trade on the weekend here. This is a Yukon XL. It's got twin screen DVD players. It's got nice dirt trucks all the way around. Great looking truck. Check it out. So we just got this one in. We're still in the process of running it through the shop, but I do have receipts for the dirt tracks. So if you're looking for some nice, great traction for being out on the lake, that is the tire you want to have. You will get no complaints on that. Very clean inside and out. Truck will be very competitively priced. And as you can see, it is very clean. A little over 100,000 miles on it. This is a 2016. Check out the inside. Tan interior. 122 for miles. Wireless charging station. Twin screen Blu-ray DVD players. Bose stereo system. Heated and cooled seats. Color touch display with navigation. You also have projection, so you can plug in your smartphone and take your nav and put it right on the screen. Also storage with the USB port for plug-in. This does have the max trailering package, so you can tow an 8,500 pound trailer with this one. Lane departure warning, parking assist, seat memory for the driver, Bose stereo system, second row bench seat, third row seat folds flat, GM mat, full power. Love that feature. Great looking Yukon, shouldn't last too long. If you'd like to know more, give me a call. You can reach me at 218-264-4040. Thanks again and have a great day.